Hello friends! In a quiet neighborhood where lawns are manicured and welcome mats never move, something unbelievable happened. No broken windows. No crowbars. Just a keyboard, a forged notary stamp, and one man with a plan. Terry Gaines, known to some as a charming entrepreneur. And to others? The man who stole a house without lifting a single brick. This is the truish tale of how one couple left their home for a week and came back to find a stranger selling their house on Instagram. Buckle up. This isn't just a story about real estate, it's a warning for homeowners everywhere. What you don't know about your title could cost you your home. Meet Terry, the typist Gaines. No ski mask, no crowbar, just a laptop and Wi-Fi strong enough to ruin lives. Terry wasn't your average thief. He didn't climb through windows or dodge security cameras. No, Terry scrolled county records like he was shopping on Amazon. His favorite hobby? Stealing homeownership, one forged signature at a time. When Mr. and Mrs. Daniels took a trip to Italy to celebrate their 40th anniversary, they didn't know someone was throwing a party in their name at the county clerk's office. Terry had all the tools. A fake notary stamp he bought online. An old copy of the couple's deed and a very convincing fake ID that listed him as Terrence Daniels Jr. By the time the Daniels got back, they couldn't even get into their own home. The locks were changed. The mail was redirected. And a for sale by owner sign was proudly planted in the front yard, with Terry grinning next to it in a Zillow photo. The neighbors were confused. The Daniels were furious. And Terry? He was in the Bahamas, sipping something tropical while answering fake buyer inquiries on Craigslist. The twist? The new buyer wired the money, only to find out they'd bought a home Terry never owned in the first place. 2 victims. 1 thief. 0 remorse. Eventually, the FBI tracked him down, because even the best scammers still post on Instagram. #closed another deal was his downfall. Moral of the story. Don't just protect your house with an alarm, protect your title like it's the deed to your life, because it kinda is. Before I go, I want to leave you with a powerful tip that every homeowner should know. How often to check your home's title. For most people, checking your title is not top of mind until it's too late. But title fraud is real, and it can happen without you ever hearing a knock at the door. When to check your home title? Annually. Make it a habit to review your property records with your local county clerk's office at least once a year, just like you'd check your credit report. It's a quick way to confirm that your name is still on your deed and no unauthorized changes have been made. Check immediately if you start receiving strange mail or legal notices about your home. Stop receiving mortgage, tax, or utility bills. See unexpected changes in your property insurance. Find your home listed online without your permission. If you are a victim of identity theft or recently lost personal documents. What to do if your home title is stolen in New York State or elsewhere. If you suspect someone has fraudulently transferred or stolen the title to your home, take action immediately. Title theft, also called deed fraud, can happen silently, and the longer you wait, the harder it may be to reclaim ownership. Here's what you should do: contact a licensed real estate attorney. They'll help you understand your rights and begin legal steps to dispute the fraudulent activity. Visit your local county clerk's office. Request a copy of your deed and property records. Look for suspicious changes, forged signatures, or documents you didn't sign. File an affidavit of fraud or forgery. If fraud is confirmed, some counties allow you to file an affidavit that flags your property and pauses further transactions. Report the crime. Notify your local police department, and consider reporting to your state attorney general or the FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, especially if digital theft is involved. Contact your title insurance company. If you have title insurance, report the issue immediately. They may provide legal assistance or financial coverage depending on your policy. Don't wait. Title fraud moves fast. The earlier you act, the better your chances of protecting your home, your equity, and your peace of mind. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Always consult with a licensed attorney about your specific situation. Stay informed. Stay protected. For more real estate safety tips, subscribe to my channel.